Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. If you've used Google Query, you've probably bumped into this problem yourself. And it really stumped me because I was trying to follow the instructions here. Select B where D is greater than 175, for example. It's specifically saying A1, E4, select B. Now B being the column. So I tried the same thing where C equals Mexico. Now let's take a look where C equals Mexico right there. And when I go back where C equals Mexico, that doesn't work. Confused, I went out to the web and I found that, let's see if, no, ChatGPT can't help me right now, but Reddit did. And Reddit said that I'm supposed to use Col3 as my syntax. Curious, why would the help docs not reflect that? I went ahead and put in Col3, which is the column I'm after. And what happens? I get the correct answer. So this is a what I say a real nuisance for documentation. Is that well, it doesn't always work. The help docs appear to be incorrect. If I change this back to C, I get nothing. But if I go to Col3, it works. Unfortunately, the looks like Google Docs is not going to load for me right now, but you just saw. Anyway, thanks for watching and happy computing.